Hello everyone. Samhita Adhyana 1 Ashtanga Chapter 11 Doshadi Vijnaniya Adhyaya Part 2. In Part 1 I have completed the Vata Dosha function. In Part 2 I am gonna complete functions of the Pitta and Kapha Dosha. So the function of the Pitta Dosha, the shloka goes Pittam Pakyushma Darshanai Kshutrut Ruchi Prabha Medhadi Shaurya Tanumardhavai. If you want to split these words, we can split like this. First, Pittam Pakyushma Darshanam means here Pakyu means Pakti. Here you can see Pakti means digestion. Next word is Ushma. What is means Ushma means body temperature, which helps in the maintenance of the body temperature. Like in cold season, we want to feel like having body temperature should be increased, so that body temperature is increased by Pitta Agni in our body. Next, it helps in Darshanam means vision. Darshana, Drushti, vision power is mainly due to the Pitta karma. Next, the word is Kshut, Trut, Ruchi. In this four karmas are there. Kshut, Trut, Ruchi. Kshut means hunger. Kshut means hunger. Trut means thirst. Ruchi means taste or appetite. So when we feel hunger, when we feel ruchi means having like more food, that is related to kshutta means hunger. And when you feel after eating so much, will feel like drinking water, that is thirst. So these all three functions are correlated with the pitta karma. Next the shloka goes prabha prabha medha di shaurya tanu mardavai. The prabha meaning is complexion, that is skin complexion. Some are white, some are fully black, some are like a wheat color, what we will say in Kannada Godhi Banna Sadarna Maikat, like that. Next we say that Medha means intelligent. The persons are more intelligent due to pitta. If their pitta quantity is correct in their body, they are more intelligent persons, means that is the prakriti. Dhi means power of discrimination, means they can easily discriminate what is right, what is wrong, and know in hallucination state. Next is shaurya, that is courageous. Next tanutvam means not obese, means they are not too lean like vata persons and not too fat like kapha persons. They have the medium sized body. Next mardavam, that is softness and delicate of the body. So the function of the pitta dosha is pittam pakyushma darshanam Truchi Prabha Medhadi Shaurya Tanu Mardavai. For detailed explanation, here in this paragraph they have explained it clearly. For to write the answer in sentence format, you can refer this paragraph. Next, we'll study on the function of the kapha dosha. Function of the kapha dosha. The shloka goes Shleshma, Sthiratva, Snidhatva, Sandibhanda, Kshamadhibi. So, function of the kapha dosha. Shleshma is synonyms of the kapha dosha. Next, Sthiratva, Snidhatva, Sandibhanda, Kshamadhibi. So, Sthiratva means, here they have explained Sthiratva, stability for the body, like to form the body stability, asthi should be arranged in a proper way. So for the stability, means for bones stability, Shleshma guna is very important. Next is Snidhatva means lubrication, uncontainance, means Snidhatva means oilness. So for lubrication of the any bones, so kapha dosha is mainly predominant. Next is Sandibandha, that is tight and compactness in the joint is due to the Shleshma karma. See, for Asthi stability, Asthi lubrication, and also as the stability, as the lubrication, and also for compactness. This full for the function of the asti shleshma guna, shleshma karma is predominant. Next, kshama, withstand with the emotions. So for pitta karma, usually they have shaurya, means courageous persons. For shleshma guna, they are mostly emotions related persons. Next, Adi Shabda the Laulyadaya means greediness, lethargy are the indication of the kappa. Who are greediness means they don't their means their fulfillness does not end to certain point. They want some more like this. And lethargy means who are very lazy persons, so only they become so fat. For Shleshma, they have bigger bodies. So for the functions of this function of the kapha dosha in detailed format, here they have given kapha confounds stability, lubrication, compactness, that is firmness of the joints, and kshama, it is the cause of the mental capacity to withstand or withhold emotion strains, etc. It also causes for the forgiveness, means who easily forgive. So in this video I completed function of the pitta dosha and function of the kapha dosha. So for the next video I'll take the function of the all the seven dhatu. Thank you.